Hello, I'm Dawn at Donna Cooking, and on my channel I love to share healthy cooking, meal prepping ideas, and our family life here in Alaska. If you'd like to join my cooking family, I'd love for you to subscribe so we can spend more time together. So let's get started. This week on Donna Cooking, I'm going to be going through another chapter with Cassy Joy Garcia in her book, Cook Once, Eat All Week. I already had a previous video, so you might want to watch that. And this book has been super helpful to me. I love meal prepping and I enjoy doing it, but the problem I've had is just buying too many ingredients and then some of them go to waste. With her cookbook, she kind of teaches a different method where you just have a few basic ingredients and you use them to their full capacity during the week. So let's go through chapter 10, and I think you're gonna love it, so come on with me and let's get started. Once again, we'll be going through Cassy Joy Garcia's Cook Once, Eat All Week, and this week we're going to be in chapter 10 and we'll be using a brisket. This is the main ingredients: potatoes and the bell peppers. So here's our potatoes and bell peppers and a brisket. I picked up a rather large one, but by buying a large one, I was able to get a better price at our Fred Meyer's. So as you can see, our prices may be a little more expensive than where you're from, but here in Alaska, we got a little bit of a shipping issue, so we do have a little higher prices. All the ingredients are just laid out really well, and I've assembled some of them here so you can see them: the cucumber, the feta cheese, the lemon, some onions, potatoes, avocado, the lettuce, provolone cheese, some caramel olives, peppers, and tomatoes. So there are a few more things that you'll need also, but the really main one you're focusing on is using the brisket. So let's move along in the chapter, and there's always bonus dinner options. If you watched my first video, I also talked about that because it only really is showing you 3 main meals, and then you usually have leftovers for lunches. So the other days you can also add on these other ones. So it goes into great detail about how to cook the potatoes, cooking the rice ahead of time, a few sauces and dressings, but they're all with easy ingredients. This is the first one that we'll be making. It's the Philly cheesesteak loaded fries. Now, I think all the kids in the family will be pretty happy with this. The pictures in the book are amazing, and they make you want to just hurry up and get going on the recipes. And then there's the pepper steak stir fry. So we're using the same meat, but in just different ways. Doesn't that look great? And then the hero salad with garlic potato wedges. So the main focus will be on the potatoes and the meat, and then just adding other things along with it. So, oh yeah, and everything is homemade and using fresh ingredients. Now, one thing I really like about the cookbook is it gives really great directions. And so I use the Instant Pot method, but it also gives the directions for if you're using your oven, there's the Instant Pot, and then, or your slow cooker. So it gives you all these choices. And there we go. I broke up my brisket, added the salt, and browned it in the avocado oil on the stove, and added a cup of beef broth, and now it's set and it'll be cooking away. Setting it to 70 minutes. Well, I wish you guys were here right now because it just smells so amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off. Woo! There we go. Cassy has everything all lined up for you in the cookbook. So one of the main things for this week is to bake the potato wedges. So it has exactly what to do. And I have gotten that completed, so getting ready to put all the potato wedges in the oven right now to bake. I'm here in the kitchen and I'm excited because tonight we're going to be making the Philly cheesesteak loaded fries. We're having company for dinner, so these are looking pretty good. They're going to be super easy to make, so let's go ahead and get started. Of all the dinners in this chapter, I am looking forward to this one the most. The Philly cheesesteak loaded fries. We're having company tonight and I don't have a lot of time and I can spend more time with our guests just because all we have to do is heat up the oven to 400 and we'll have the peppers and the onions all mixed up and the fries are already made, so all I got to do is put it on the cookie sheet in the oven and cook it. Already the loaded fries are all ready to put together. I got the pre-fried peppers and onions and I got the meat all ready, got the fries all lined up and got the cheese. Alrighty, we are getting ready to eat and these loaded fries turned out amazing. This hero salad with the garlic potato wedges is all ready to plate, and there's that amazing picture. And I went ahead and made up the dressing and the tzatziki sauce, got the romaine already in the bowl and all the different veggies all lined up with the cheese. And there, look at that amazing brisket that's been marinated in the sauce and those potato wedges. Oh yes. The next recipe we'll be trying is the pepper steak stir fry. It's a super simple recipe. All it takes is the brisket and you saute the bell peppers and onions, and you do have a little stir fry sauce that you make and you serve it over the rice or cauliflower rice, and actually it would be super good in a tortilla. Here we go. Okay, I got everything ready for the steak stir fry. We got the brisket all shredded up, we got rice, and we got multicolored peppers and some onion, and I got the sauce all made. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please leave me a comment in the comment section below the video. I have a blog too, Donna Cooking, and I'm on Instagram, Mom Lincoln, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking!